Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul to share with you. It's not a really big one, but I do got some nice Valentine goodies, so let's go ahead and get into this. So the first thing I want to share with you is this 12-piece stickers, and this is a clear type of sticker. I hauled this in my previous haul, but I wanted another one, so I was able to find it at another Dollar Tree that I went to, and I think these are so cute. Look at that. Look at all the cuteness in there. So I got all that one. I also found these craft kits. I thought they were super cute. Look at the little picture. And you get, as a 10-piece, and they're individually wrapped in its own little pouch. So you get two versions. You get the heart. Well, actually, this one is a heart one. I don't know if it has. Okay, so this has the heart and the cupcake. And I thought this would be pretty cool for embellishment. So I got that, so I don't have to die cut them myself. So I got those ones. I also found these ones. They only have one of these at my store, so I gotta go to another one and see if they have it. But these create the snail, the ladybug, and the bee. I thought that was really cute. And you get 6 sets. So it comes with everything that you need to make it. Oh, this is awesome. Real nice. So I got that too for crafting. And of course, I am on the napkin kick. This one are 24 count 2-ply. And I got these because I love the coquette type of look, which is the bows. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. So I was able to find that one. I thought they had a plate, but I didn't want the plates. Actually, I got 2 of those. Shows you how much I like that one. And the next one I have here, which is 24. I should get another one. But they have this one here. Look at that. Now these are real nice to make all kinds of stuff. Pockets, like journal covers, anything really, tags. So I got those there. And I got me another thing of confetti, because I like to put some confetti into the shred that when I'm packaging. And this time I got a few different swaps I'm in, so I went ahead and got more in case I have enough. Because you know, us as crafters, we can't have more. We can't have, you know, we never have enough. So I got another one. So the other thing I was able to find, and these were actually on a little strip on the side, but these are treat bags, and they got 30 pieces. Look at that. Love that. So this is like a Ziploc. Got that one. And then I also got this red one with love. It's also 30 pieces. I love packaging stuff. I love bags. And then the third style I have is this pink with some mint. Love it. Love, love, love. And then another thing I also hauled is this Candyland Valentine lollipop and card kit. I got this to give out for in swaps. I thought this would be pretty cute to give out. Plus you get a little sweet treat with that. So I also have that. And then I did get another ribbon here. It actually matches this napkin. But look at that one. That is so cute. So I got that one. They had a few more of this. Now the one that I couldn't find any at this one store, I was able to find this one that somebody dropped, was this version. A little coquette type of ribbon. Oh, I love it. I gotta get more. I gotta find a store that has more of those. But I got those. And then the last thing I did haul are these heart necklace. And I'm actually going to use it for something else. Actually, I'll probably cut them up. But yeah, you do get 4 pieces. So you get 2 red and 2 pink. This was the only one I saw at my store, so I don't know if they ran out or what. But yeah, that is my little Dollar Tree Valentine haul I want to share with you. So let me know what is your favorite. Let me know if you were able to find any of these at your Dollar Tree. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notifications so you know when I do upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.